Hi guys, welcome back to Foxlister. In this video, we're going to go over the TikTok Shop Affiliate Center. The Affiliate Center is this incredible place that allows you to reach out to affiliates and they can request samples from you and they can review your product and make TikTok videos, and it's all tracked in the Affiliate Center, and it's honestly quite an incredible place. My favorite part of all this is really being able to see the statistics of each influencer. So in the Affiliate Center, this is an influencer that I was able to randomly find. And you could see things like their gross monthly volume. This user is just a random user. They generated $122,000 in a month. They sold 4,000 units. Here you can see which kind of units they sold, mostly toys and hobbies, tools and hardware. Here you can see that mostly they sold products using videos. Here you can see their gender breakdown and their follower age, who's watching their videos. Then the craziest part is over the past month, you could see on what days they had high sales, what days they had low sales, and the number of units that they sold on certain days. Quite incredible. You can also view their top videos. So this video generated...
¿Qué tal, camaradas? Saludos. Precisamente este o el que estoy mostrando en ese video es un SB. Pones encima.
So you can see this person is just like selling the products. And here you can see similar creators. So why don't we check out one more creator? Let's check out this person, Mary, right? So in the Affiliate Center, we can see her. She sold 1,300 units. Let's check out the videos that got her the most views. This one.
Se olvidaron de su teléfono y se quedaron bien entretenidas con este juguete que yo les agarré. Creo que hice muy buena
I'm not
impresión
sure
con
why
este
I'm in
juguete.
the I'm not sure why I'm getting Spanish influencers, but this is a fantastic way to deal with creators in TikTok Shop, and this is what makes it so simple for TikTok Shop to expand, because it's not like Amazon or Facebook Shops or eBay where you're kind of just selling products through ads or driving traffic to your listings yourself. TikTok has created this incredible back-end system that allows sellers and affiliates to deal with each other in a manner that is very efficient. And you can see, she collaborated with 39 brands at 38 products and has an affiliate rate of 10%. This is just a quick video to show you guys how TikTok is growing and the affiliate center in the back. And subscribe for more e-commerce education content, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.